Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is safe out there. So today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I cornrow my 4C natural hair. So whether you have a 4C natural hair or a relaxed hair, you could actually do this. It's very easy. You could wear this under your wigs, you could use this alone. So to start up, I just washed my hair, so my hair is wet, and I'm going with my oil to moisturize the hair, and also I'm going to be using a hair treatment. If you have a very thick hair like mine, the best way to actually cornrow your hair is when your hair is wet. That way it makes it easier. So to start off, I thought about the kind of cornrow I wanted to do on my hair. I didn't want to do the regular all back, so I had to do this particular one. So you want to go in and pat your hair. So the next thing I'm doing is I'm going to be going in with this edge control just at the corner of my natural hair. This is just so it could put the hair together, especially because I have a short hair at the front and also at the back. So you want to pat the hair into 3, as you guys can see, and then you're going to go in with your thumb and your index finger, and then you want to keep braiding. So when you're picking the hair, you pick and you braid until you get to the end. I know it's really difficult patting your hair. I actually struggle to pat my hair, but if you keep practicing, practice makes perfect. And also too, if you're braiding your own hair yourself, it's advisable to have 2 mirrors, so you could actually use the second mirror to see your patting line. So guys, when I got to the back of the hair, because I have a very short hair at the back, so I just went in with the same edge control at the back just to pull it up together so I could actually pick the hair. So if you have my kind of hair which is short at the back, it will be advisable to use the edge control. So for the second braiding, I'm going to be patting this other side just this way. So you could actually do your cornrows the same style I'm doing. You could do it all back. You could just be creative with it. When it comes to cornrows, you can never go wrong with doing cornrows on your natural hair, because you could actually carry the hair yourself. You can use it for back to school. You could actually wear them under your wigs, and it's also a protective style. So guys, after patting the second one, I'm going to do same process, use the edge control just at the corner of the hair, and then I'm going to pat the hair, like you guys can see, into 3. I'll be using my thumb and my index finger to braid. So you pick and you braid down, you pick and you braid down. So basically that's what you're going to be doing to cornrow your hair. If you don't know how to cornrow your hair, just keep watching videos, DIY videos on how to cornrow your hair, and keep practicing. And trust me guys, like I said earlier on, practice makes perfect.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm the Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step.
So guys, one tip whenever you're doing whatever style of cornrows on your natural hair, whenever you're parting the hair, because of the way the circumference of our head is or the shape of our head is, you find out that the back of the hair is quite short. That's the distance is quite short. So whenever you're parting it, make sure once you get to like the back, make it more smaller than the parting you have in the front of your hair. I don't know if I'm making sense. And also too, for this style of hair, I just needed something not too small, just something, you know, not too big, not too small, just something I could rock like this and also wear under my wig. So whichever you're comfortable with, you could do. If you want it smaller, you could go with that. If you want it bigger, you could also go with that too as well.
Bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So guys, I really want to say thank you all so much for watching my videos, for subscribing to my channel. Every returnee subscriber, I see you, the likes, the comments. And if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, give the video thumbs up, drop comments down below, and I'll sure see you guys in my next one. Stay safe and be good. Bye for now.